Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands knitting and crocheting channel, and today we are going to learn one more knitting stitch. I really love this stitch. I believe it's perfect and I'm going to use later on, you will see, for hats, for baby hats especially. It can be also used for cardigans, for baby um, sweaters, for baby blankets. At the beginning I started with a ribbon knit one per one just to see and to show how the stitch looks. If for example you're going to use it for blanket, the number of stitches has to be divisible by 7 plus 3 extra stitches if you're going to knit in rows, and plus 2 selvage stitches. Here I am using DK yarn and 3.5 millimeters knitting needles. This stitch also has 6 rows to repeat without this initial rows that I've done ribbon, knit 1, purl 1. So the first row, slip the first stitch, purl 3, and then knit 4. And again, purl 3, knit 4. Purl 3, knit 4. And repeat till the end as many times as needed. Purl 3, knit 4, and at the end 3 extra stitches, purl 3 and selvage stitch that we are going always to purl. Turn. In this row we are going to knit all knit stitches and purl all purl stitches. So knit 3, purl 4. Knit 3, purl 4. So we knit all knit stitches. We see knit stitch, we knit it. And then we see purl stitch, we purl it. Knit 3, purl 4. Again, knit 3, purl 4. At the end, knit 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 3, slip the first stitch, purl 3, then knit 1, slip next 2 stitches, holding working yarn in back like this, and knit 1. And repeat again. Purl 3, knit 1, slip next 2 stitches with working yarn in back, and knit one and repeat. Purl 3, knit 1, slip next to stitches, knit 1 and purl 3 again, slip, knit 1 and at the end 3 purl stitches, 3 extra stitches and 1 selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 4, skip the first stitch, knit 3, then purl 1, slip next purl stitches holding working yarn in front and purl 1 again and repeat. Knit 3, purl 1, slip next to holding working yarn in front and purl 1 and repeat. Knit 3, purl 1, slip 2, purl 1 and again knit 3, purl, slip, purl, knit 3. Finish this round. And purl the last stitch. Row number 5, you will need an extra needle or I will show you how to twist stitches without. Slip the first stitch, purl 3, then we are going to make a right leaning twist. Pick up the second stitch and drop off carefully the first one and then put it back to the left needle. At the same time put back the second stitch and to the left needle and knit both. Like this you make a right leaning cable. Here you're going to make a left leaning cable, pick up from the back the second stitch, drop the first one and pick it up with the left hand needle, then return the second stitch to the left hand needle and knit both. Knit the second and knit first. And now you got the left leaning twist. Purl 3 and repeat again. From the front pick up the second stitch and drop off the first one and pick it up again and return the second stitch and knit it right away. Then knit the first and now make a left leaning twist like this, then return and knit. I know it could be a little bit confusing. Please don't worry if you're a beginner. We are going now to use a extra needle. So purl 3 and I will show you how to work with extra needle. Take an extra needle or cable needle. So we need to get a right leaning cable. Slip the first stitch and leave it in back. Then knit the next stitch from the left hand needle and then knit the stitch from the extra needle. That's it. Now again slip the first stitch and leave it in front, hold it in front, then knit the next stitch from the left hand needle and then knit the stitch from the extra needle like this, and you are done. Purl 3. That's what you get. Let's do it again without cable needle. Pick up the second and turn. Just turn them. But pick up the second first time in front and second time in back. If you think that I show it too fast, please there is a button in the left corner, play back speed. Press it and just slow down the speed. And again, turn and make a right leaning twist. And here, pick up from the back, change, return, and knit 2. And last time, purl 3, pick up the second one, drop the first, change and knit 2. Then pick up in back, change, return and knit 2. At the end, 3 extra stitches, purl 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. So that's it. And now the last row, row number 6, slip the first stitch, knit 3, purl 4. And again knit 3, purl 4. Knit 3, purl 4. Please finish this row. Knit 3, purl 4. Knit 3, purl 4. At the end, knit 3, and purl the last stitch, selvage stitch. That's it. And that's how it looks. And now you're going to repeat first row, purl 3, knit 4, then uh, the second row, then third row where you slip 2 stitches, same the fourth, and then right and left leaning. I wouldn't say it's a hard stitch, I think it's easy one, especially if you know how to knit cables. So please use it, enjoy it. If you have any comments, please leave them. I will be happy to answer you. If you liked this video, please subscribe and I see you soon. Bye.